season. Winter. Winter is the coldest season of all. The sun looks bigger in the winter. Snow falls in the winter. Trees stops growing in the winter. Nights are longer in winter. Winter clothes. Summer. Summer is the hottest season. Nights are short in summer. Most thunderstorm occurs in the summer. Children spend their summer vacations with friends and family. Summer clothes. Autumn. Autumn season, also known as fall. Plants shed their leaves. Plants change their color. Temperature grows colder. Animals prepare for long, cold months ahead. Autumn clothes. Plants grow flowers. Weather usually turns warmer. Days are getting longer. Many animals make their babies. Trees begin to grow their leaves. Spring clothes.